Hi everyone. So I'm just gonna go through and do a really quick haul from my Etsy orders that I got this week. I actually only got products from 2 shops and just gonna go through those real quick with you. The first shop that I got from is called Planning with Jazz, and I'm gonna put a link in the description box below to each of these Etsy shops so you can go check them out. And this was her little freebie. Look how adorable. The little burger and the little coffee. So cute. So cute. So what I got from her was just a sheet of these little plan stickers. Some of these sticker books that I have from my Happy Planner sticker books or Man Bee sticker books have the little planner icons on them, and I thought these would be really cute to go with them, just to mark out the days that are days to work in the planner. And then next I got, this is probably going to be my very first layout in my new 2019 planner, but it is the New Year's week weekly layout. And you have your today and to-dos and little things boxes, habit trackers, some little icons, some check boxes, and then a little weekly box right here, and these little heart check boxes, some flags, these little header boxes, so cute. And then look at the full boxes. Happy New Year's, your little champagne, some little glasses toasting. This bow is so pretty. Some little balloons, the 2019. How pretty. And then these are little lined boxes. I'm not sure what kind of pen you would use to write on this black box, but it's really matte, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to check into that and see what I even could use in that. And then this is quarter boxes and your washi. It's fireworks, so I guess the washi would go this way. So New Year's Eve fireworks, and then some little half boxes right there. So that is very pretty. And again, that shop is called Planning with Jazz, and I will put a link in the description box below so you can check her shop out. The next shop is called Katylu's Creations, and I'm going to put a link to her shop down below as well. And this was her little freebie that she sent, and it was 2 little quarter boxes, a habit tracker, and some little icons, a little van, a little menu planning, a bathtub, washing machine, some little binder clips. Very adorable. And so I will put the link to her shop as well. And so the sticker kits that I have, the first one here is called, let me grab it here. I'm trying to keep them in order that they are on the shipping list, so that way I can keep up with what is what. Okay, the first one is called Summertime Anchors. And then this is some little glitter headers, and then some little heart checklists. We have our date covers and some weekly boxes. Bare feet and salty hair. That's what it's all about right now. And some little Build You stickers, flags, these little clipboards, and these little, I know these little ducks, these little birds have a name, but I can't think of it right now. My mom I think she calls them egrets. I'm not sure. There are your day stickers for the week. And then some little quarter boxes, your weekend banner, things to do, today stickers, these little anchors. Here is the washi, which is this really pretty blue with some anchors and hibiscus blooms, habit trackers, your washing machine, a payday, lunch, weights, bath, and then right here are some little icons for your menu planning. Some little heart check-off boxes. I love these colors. That pink and blue is adorable. And it's gonna look really good in my coastal planner. And then your full boxes. Look how stinking adorable these are. There's your anchors, these little birdhouses. They're just all so pretty. The little tropical leaves. These right here, I love these right here. They remind me of mason jars. And right now I live in Florida and I'm loving life in Florida, but you know, I am a North Georgia girl and sometimes I get a little, you know, a little nostalgic missing Georgia, especially with the fall coming on, because we're not really having fall here in South Florida. So these right here kind of remind me a little bit of home. Not sure how much you know about North Georgia, but I'm from the mountains, and in the mountains we actually utilize mason jars quite a lot. We do canned food in them, but we also make a little drink that we refer to as mountain water. Some people call it moonshine. But Dawsonville, Georgia is like the capital, the moonshine capital of Georgia. And I'm from a little town that's right next door to Dawsonville in Pickens County. So we are quite familiar with how many uses you can get out of a mason jar. So I like that little sticker because it kind of reminds me of home. Okay, so then this next kit is called the Flamingo. It's just flamingos, that is all. And then you have glitter headers and then heart checkoff sheets. You have your date stickers and a weekly. And look at this little box right here, how cute. Let's flamingo. Let's flamingo. Some build you stickers, some flags, your little, we call these clipboards, your day stickers, quarter boxes, weekend banner, things to do, and today headers. Your washi, look how adorable that is with the flamingos and pineapples and watermelon. It's just everything about this screams summertime. Some habit trackers, and then your little icons again. And then heart checkoff boxes, which are more of a green and a darker pink. So still really cute, just a little different color than the first set. And then here are your full boxes. You got like all your little flamingos. Everything has little flamingos in it. And they're so adorable. So stinking adorable. I can't wait to use them. And then finally, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this because I have a horizontal planner that I'm using right now, and this is a vertical kit. So I may have to save this for next year or just use it in my horizontal anyway because it's too cute as well. And this one is called Tropical Christmas, which is what I'm having this year, my first Christmas in Florida. And so you've got your glitter headers, you have your date covers, and look at the little snowflakes, how adorable. Your weekly boxes, your build use, flags, your little clipboards. Stick my presents under the palm tree, which is what we talked about this year. Henry and I thought about, instead of having a traditional Christmas tree, having a palm tree for a Christmas tree. But I'm not really sure how feasible that's going to be because I imagine palm trees are pretty expensive, probably more so than traditional Christmas trees. So we'll have to see. Then you have your things to do and your today headers, quarter boxes, weekend banner. There are your day covers, the washi. Look how stinking cute this is. It's this really pretty light blue, which goes perfect with my coastal planner. And then your little flamingos have Santa hats, your weekly, your habit trackers, your little icons. So cute. And then look at these again with the light blue and the light pink. Perfect for my coastal planner, and just such pretty colors. And then here are your full boxes, which are all like Christmas themed, but they all have little flamingos. Here's your little flamingos and the sleigh. They all have their little hats on. I love this one right here with the candy cane and the little peppermint candies and the little stars. So pretty. I cannot wait to use this. So that's what I'm thinking is, like, I don't have a vertical planner that I'm using through the end of this year, and I don't know that I want to wait a year to use these. And so this is probably, this last one is going to be, in all likelihood, my very first weekly layout in my Boho Dreams, because I have the coastal planner and I got the Boho Dreams, and this is called Boho Blue, and these colors are so perfect. I can't wait to see how this is going to look in the Boho Dreams planner. But you've got these grays and a little black and this dark blue for the glitter headers, your date covers and weekly boxes, some bill dues, flags, your clipboards. So the kits are kind of the same, they're just all different, like different pattern and then a different quote. And the quote says, "So I'll be bold as well as strong and use my head alongside my heart," which I really like that. And then there are your day covers, and look how pretty that is, that gray with that dark blue on top of it. So pretty. And your weekend banner, quarter boxes, and then your today and things to do headers. I apologize for that. My low battery light came on and it actually stopped filming on me. But as I was saying, your day headers, so pretty. And quarter boxes, weekend banner. And then you have your washi, which look at this with the little leaves, or feathers, not leaves, feathers. Your food icons, habit trackers, and then this beautiful, like a dream catcher theme. It's gonna be so pretty in the Boho Dreams planner. And then you've got your heart check boxes, which are these beautiful, like ombre shades of like a, not really teal, but like almost like an emerald blue, if that makes any sense. I'm not sure. It's a really pretty blue though. And then there are grays. And then here we have our full boxes, and look how pretty these are. You've got your feathers here and feathers here. These arrows, I love this gray one with the arrows. I think that may be one of my favorites. But it's just so pretty, and I cannot wait to use these. So these are my kits that I got from Katylu's Creations and from Planning with Jazz, and I cannot wait to get started using these in my planner. And I will put the link to their shops down below so that you can check them out. It's called Katylu's Creations and Planning with Jazz. So be sure to check out their Etsy shops, and thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.